For this problem statement, we have to write a program to read the name of the user, the number of units consumed, and we have to print total charges. We'll analyze problem definition in details. Suppose electricity consumed is in between 100 to 200 units. Charges applied per unit is 80 paise or 0.80 Rs. Suppose electricity consumed is in between 200 to 300 units. Charges applied for units are from 1 to 200 units 0.80 Rs, and for above 200 units 0.90 Rs or 90 paise per unit. Next criteria. Suppose electricity consumed is in between 300 to 400 units. Charges applied for units are from 1 to 200 0.80 Rs or 80 paise, from 200 to 300 0.90 Rs or 90 paise, and for above 300 Rs 1 per unit. Consider next criteria. If the electricity bill is greater than 400 Rs, additional charge of 50% means 0.15 of entire electricity bill will apply. Now we'll see formulas to calculate meter charge or electricity bill. Suppose consider electricity consumed in between 100 to 200 units. Meter charge is given by meter charge equal to compulsory charge. Here compulsory charge is 100 plus the number of units consumed into 0.80 cost per unit. Next, suppose consider electricity consumed is in between 200 to 300. In that case, meter charge equal to compulsory charge, that is 100 plus charges up to 200 units, that is 200 into 0.80 plus calculate the remaining units by subtracting 200 from total units. That is given by unit minus 200 into 0.90 Rs for each unit. Means, suppose consider units consumed is 250 units. In that case, meter charge equal to 100 plus charges up to 200 units, means 200 into 0.80 plus the remaining 50 units. For remaining 50 units, apply 0.90. Therefore, 50 into 0.90. To calculate remaining units, subtract total units by 200. Suppose, consider electricity consumed in between 300 to 400 units. In that case, meter charge equal to compulsory charge plus charges up to 200 units, that is 200 into 0.80 plus charges for next 100 units, means charges for 200 to 300 units, that is given by 100 into 0.90 plus calculate the remaining units by subtracting total units by 300 and apply RS1 to each unit, that is unit minus 300 into 1. At the end, check meter charge. If meter charge is greater than 400 Rs, add additional 50% charge, that is given by meter charge equal to old meter charge plus additional charge, that is calculated by meter charge into 0.15. Here consider 50% of additional charge. Now we'll see algorithm. Algorithm 2. Read name of the user, number of units consumed and print electricity bill. Inputs are name and the number of units consumed. Output of the algorithm is total meter charge. Start the algorithm. Step 1. In step 1, read name and units. Step 2. Initialize compulsory charge, that is 100 rupees. Step 3. If units consumed is less than or equal to 200, calculate meter charge. Meter charge equal to meter charge plus units into 0.80. Suppose if units consumed is greater than 200 and less than or equal to 300, meter charge is given by meter charge equal to compulsory charge plus 200 into 0.80 plus units minus 200 into 0.90. Step 5. Suppose if units consumed is greater than 300, in that case meter charge is calculated by meter charge equal to 100, means compulsory charge, plus charges up to 200 units, 200 into 0.80 plus charges for 200 to 300 units, means for 100 units the charges is calculated by 100 into 0.90 plus the charges for remaining units, that is calculated by units minus 300 into 1. At the end, check the meter charge. If the meter charge greater than or equal to 400, then add 50% of additional charge, that is given by meter charge equal to meter charge plus meter charge into 0.15, 50% or 0.15. Then stop the process. This diagram shows the graphical representation of algorithm. First, read the name and units consumed. Then initialize compulsory charge. After that, check units consumed is less than or equal to 200. If it is true, calculate meter charge by using formula meter charge equal to meter charge plus unit into 0.80. Otherwise, check units consumed is greater than 200 and less than or equal to 300. If it is true, use formula meter charge equal to meter charge plus 200 into 0.80 plus unit minus 200 into 0.90 to calculate electricity bill. Otherwise, check units consumed is greater than 0. If it is true, use formula meter charge equal to meter charge plus 200 into 0.80 plus 100 into 0.90 plus unit minus 300 into 1 to calculate total meter charge or electricity bill. After calculating electricity bill, then check whether the bill is greater than Rs 400 or not. If the bill is greater than Rs 400, then add 50% of additional charge to meter charge, that is calculated by meter charge equal to meter charge plus meter charge into 0.15. Then at the end, print name of the user, units consumed and electricity bill. Then stop the process. We'll see program. First, declare variable name as array of characters to store username and initialize size to 10. That indicates we can store 10 characters in name. Declare units as floating point value to store number of units consumed, and declare meter charge as a floating point value and initialize meter charge to 100. Here 100 indicates the compulsory amount the user needs to pay. Next, read name and units consumed using scanf statement. Store in name and units variables respectively. Here name is a string, so use format specifier %f to store information in name, and units is a floating point value, so use %f format specifier to read floating point value and to store value in units. Here we need to concentrate one more thing. Don't use ampersand symbol for name variable because we are not reading one character. We are reading string or more than one characters. So we require more than one memory locations, not one location. So if we used ampersand symbol, it will point into one location. But we need more than one locations to store characters or to store string. So therefore, ignore ampersand symbol for variable name. Next, check the number of units consumed. So if units less than or equal to 200, use this formula, calculate the meter charge. Otherwise, check units consumed is greater than 200 and less than or equal to 300. Use this formula, calculate the meter charge. Otherwise, once again check the units greater than 300. In that case, use this formula and calculate meter charge. So after calculating meter charge, check the meter charge value is greater than 400 or not by using if statement. If this condition evaluates true, means the calculated meter charge value is equal to 400 or greater than 400. In that case, we need to add 15% of additional cost to meter charge. That is calculated by using this formula. So after adding 15% of additional charge, then print name of the user, the number of units consumed, and bill value. Now we'll run the program. Click on run. We'll ask name and units consumed. Here type name and one space, because in scanf statement after percentage s we used one space, therefore here also we need to use one space. After this, type units consumed 125. Press enter. Here the output of this program is this name, next number of units consumed, then meter charge. This is the output of program. You have to check for values 250 and 350. Thank you.